How to fix we could not detect a valid GTA 5 legacy installation on FiveM. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you just a bit of a steps or method for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue. Now what exactly happens is when you set up your FiveM, you accidentally put up GTA 5 Enhanced instead of Legacy. GTA 5 Enhanced is actually not supported by FiveM, so that's the reason why you're receiving that kind of error message. But it's an easy fix issue. All you have to do at first is to copy the file path directly from Steam or wherever you're playing the GTA 5 from. So say for example you're playing it via Steam, open up your Steam client and then go into your library, come out to games, go to Grand Theft Auto 5 installed files, and then hit on browse. Now once you're on browse, all you have to do is to copy the file path, which is going to be this one right here. Control C or right click and hit on copy, and then once you hit on OK with the error message that you receive, another file manager will come out on your screen. Just simply paste it on the file path location, and once you hit on enter, you should be able to see GTA 5 or GTA 5.exe launcher. To simply open it up and you should be able to open up the FiveM application. That's it. That's how you fix we cannot detect a valid GTA 5 legacy installation in FiveM.